Who doesn't like the look of soft, glowing skin, right? And when your skin is really dry, you remember to put oil or lotion on it. But when it's not dry, you often don't remember, I'm sure. Same with me. And so I want to remind you and myself that every day it should be a daily habit to nourish the skin on our body just like we do on our face. And so one of the ways that I've tried to do that is I put my body oil in the shower so that as soon as I turn the water off, I just quickly kind of towel dry, but then I use oil. And that is just like how we use it on our face when our face is slightly damp, to draw the oil and the nutrients down to the lower layers of the dermis. Same goes for the body. So additionally, I want to make sure that everybody understands that what goes on your body goes into your bloodstream, and we want to keep what's in our bloodstream as non-toxic as possible, right? So just like you would choose organic produce, hopefully, let's choose products that are at the very least non-toxic, 100% non-toxic, non-GMO, nothing in there that we don't need. So I'm going to show you a few of my very favorite body oils. There are so many great ones on the market. I have 20 by my bedside, 5 in the shower, 60 behind me. So these are just my current favorites and have been on rotation for a little bit. So in no particular order. Do you know this brand, Kayo? So phenomenal. She believes that our bodies should be treated with the same amazing ingredients that we treat our faces with, and I totally agree. I love this line. It's almost all gone. Kayo, you're awesome. And secondly, this bottle looks disgusting, and that's because I've been touching it with dirty hands or with oily hands. Kahina Giving Beauty. This line is fantastic, not just because they create awesome products, but because they have given back and basically support a town in Morocco. I don't know if it's called a town, but they support a women's collective who harvest the Moroccan oil. And I think any company that's giving back like that is one that we absolutely need to support. And like I said, plus the oil is extremely moisturizing and super pure. This bottle also looks gross, and I apologize, but it's well loved by my bed. It's Maya Chia, and it smells so good. It's the Revitalizer Beautifying Supercritical Body Oil. It smells really good. It's super hydrating. And next we have Lena Hansen. She's a makeup artist too, and she created a line of skincare, and this one is her Global Body Serum. It smells like a creamsicle. I love it. Super hydrating. It could be your fragrance. Basically, everybody who smells it thinks, oh, is that Katey in the room? Fine, because I've worn it for so long. Finally, this one from Tammy Fender. I like all these ones from Tammy Fender. This is her Très Rose Body Oil. The Bulgarian Rose, Bois de Rose, and Rose Maroc. And whoops, it's delicious if you like rose. This is a special one. Super hydrating as well. That's it. Put your oil on after your shower, or, I guess put your oil on and then put your bathrobe on if you can, so that it gets on your robe a little bit instead of on your clothes that you're going to wear that day, or put it on and then get right into bed. My sheets are always stained with oil. Whatever.